All right, guys, we made it to the cabin. We're in the mountains. Successful journey. We're gonna check out the cabin, but the view looks pretty sweet. What's up, bear? Alfie was such a good bird. Didn't make a sound. Good little birdie. We love Alfie. Let's see how Alfie's doing. Alfie! How you doing there, buddy? Oh, you made it through all the car ride. Good bird. Alfie was such a good bird this whole trip. Let's go look at the cabin. Alfie's first snow trip. Ooh, pretty cool. We got the cabin. We got the view of the mountain back there. It's pretty awesome. Got a nice, awesome kitchen, guys, kitchen. Look at that. They even have a Christmas tree still. Gotta love family time, which includes Elfie for the holidays, which is pretty awesome. My brother's up there checking out the place. It's a pretty good spot, right? And you can even see the slopes back there. That's where I'll be snowboarding tomorrow. Over there. Ooh, look at this cabin. The upstairs. Is this your bedroom?
Yeah, look,
Raymond?
an Xbox.
Oh, no way.
There's 360.
They even got an Xbox. You know what we're gonna be doing? We're gonna be gaming.
Oh, there's even a DVD player.
Very nice.
Oh, the Snoop controllers.
Jackie.
What's this?
Our subscribers want to say hi.
Hello.
Alfie's mom, Alfie's grandmom, and Alfie's sister.
That's funny.
Oh, Alfie, you made it to the snow, buddy? You excited? Woohoo! He is not excited at all. It's like the perfect place. One thing that we did have to do, interestingly enough, was get special pots that are ceramic so that you don't get any Teflon when you cook. Look at Alfie's new carrier cage. Pretty sweet setup. This was Alfie's Christmas gift from me. He'll be hanging out here. Central area in the living room where he can always have people around. Pretty sweet. All right, I got Alfie here with me. He made it to the cabin. We're about to put him in his carrier. All right, Alfie, time for you to try out your new carrier, buddy. Let's see if you like it. Woohoo! Alfie's got a little stand for his perch. Ooh, look good, buddy. All right, buddy, let's get you in this thing. Gotta get you used to the new environment. There you go. Hi, buddy. Hi, little buddy. Nice cage. Merry Christmas, Elfie.
Oh, it looks like a front door, huh?
Yeah, I think this is the.
Yeah.
Oh, happy bird.
Actually, come check up here.
That's the only thing that's
Happy bird.
Yeah.
We like the place.
Hold on, look at my water bottles down.
I already looked up here.
Oh,
Happy bird.
he's happy.
He's like, who that? Oh, money shot. Taco bird. So good. Elfie, you want some treats, buddy? Woohoo! Got the good for you. You want some treats? Yeah. Treat time. Ready? Elfie, want a treat?
Alfie, treat. Come here.
Elfie, you want a treat?
Come.
Woohoo! Good bird, Elfie. All right, Elfie, you ready? Come here. Good bird.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, treat. Yeah, you're getting so good at flying, it doesn't matter where you're at, huh? Anything for the treat. Are you ready to go to Mama Elf?
Alfie,
Elfie, you want a treat?
treat.
Treat?
Come here. Oh, look how cute. Oh, you're Santa Claus.
All right, Elfie, treat. Woo! Coming in hot, buddy. There you go. All right, you ready? Off the table.
Here you go. Oh, look.
Alfie. Wow. Over here.
Okay, I guess he's coming to me.
Trust you.
Elfie. Good bird. There you go.
So it doesn't get lost, okay?
There you go, buddy. Good bird.
Alfie, come.
Elfie, go get a treat. Go get a treat.
Treat. Come.
And just turn around. He don't get a treat now. You lost your opportunity to get a treat, Elfie. You didn't come on the first call. You know what to do.
Alfie.
That's a good bird.
That's good.
Fun fact.
Anybody want a salad?
A good recall is when your parrot comes the first time you call him within 1 to 3 seconds. He didn't come after 2 calls. Rochelle turned around to let him know he lost the opportunity to get a treat. Fun lesson to learn. Alfie! Woohoo! I need a treat.
Here you go.
Thank you. The snack pack to go. I'm gonna hook you up with a big one. Woohoo! That is a big one. You ready, El?
Yeah. Alfie.
Woohoo!
Awesome.
But it's probably about time to end the session, so you can kind of tell. Oh, didn't call you. No treat, didn't call you. Elfie. All right. So right now we're working with Elfie to teach him to come when we call him, not when he wants to. So the perfect recall is when he comes and you call him. He comes to you after he knows how to fly indoors and you don't call him, no treat. So we only reward the behavior we do want.
Technology.
Oh, Elfie, you eating your pellets, buddy? Num num num. Mmm. What do you got there, buddy?
Your turn.
Nom, 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 nom.
My neighbor.
Elfie, having fun on vacation, buddy? Yeah? Having fun on vacation? Oh, yeah. Happy bird. Happy bird. Woohoo. Woohoo. Happy, happy. You want some lubbies? Lubbies, lubbies? Oh, breaking that neck.
Some more layers.
Yeah, happy bird. Vacation.
Not bad. Just
Elfie's first time in the snow.
it's a little extra.
I don't know how he feels about it yet. He's gonna get to go outside with his harness in the snow. I'll put him in the snow for 5 seconds, see what he does. He's gonna hate it.
Didn't that sound good?
Elfie doesn't do wet stuff. He doesn't do showers.
He doesn't.
No. Only self showers. Any other shower that's not his own. But then I feel bad because he showers in his dirty bowl. And I'm like, Elfie, you just ate. Don't shower in there. So I gotta change out his water. And then he'll be trying to shower in his bowl with pellets and water. I'm like, ew. Elfie, little dirty birdie.
Rock was real busy. You did a good job out there.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Once it freezes, it's a pain.
Oh man, you'd be stuck.
That powder's
And then try to move the road, you know what the road puts there?
Been up in there, huh, buddy?
Road truck. That freezes. Oh my, and it's so heavy. It's terrible, isn't
It
it?
just says
Glad we
prepping.
went up and did that.
It's not even baking yet.
We'll have another batch to do.
Oh yeah, Domino's takes like 30 minutes.
Let's check out
11.
11.
That's why I want to go to bed early.
Elfie, you happy to see me, buddy? Come, I just got back from snowboarding.
Save $50.
These humans don't give you lubbies all day, huh?
But that's okay.
Now you want some treats, don't you? Uh-oh, I said the word. Treats. All right, he knows you got him, Jackie.
Me? Okay.
Oh, didn't call him.
So you and I
Okay.
already did our part. There's
Alfie.
Wait, he's not ready.
Sorry.
Put your hand out first. Yeah.
Oh,
Alfie.
Woohoo! This is why I always hold his feet,
we all had enough.
so he doesn't do that.
We love it. Thank you
So
so
thanks to
much.
have one.
He thinks you do have one.
Appreciate you.
Do you understand? No, it's fine right
Yeah,
there.
they're so good.
Oh, I don't have that one.
Yeah, just call him.
Okay.
I had 4 already.
Alfie.
You can sell your tamales.
Woohoo.
They're so
Yeah.
good, right? Do you ever do that?
So cute. You say you saw him trying to fly away on his own? Elfie.
They're like scholarships and stuff.
Oh, you have it so easy. Look at you. So cute. He's got short little flights. Here, let's do one more. Remember,
Yeah.
don't
Well, you
put your hand. Don't call him until you're ready with your hand up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Elfie.
Woohoo!
Tamale party.
So cute.
Well,
Woohoo!
should I take tamales away, do you think?
Happy bird.
You needed to go a little farther.
He let you scratch his head this time voluntarily outside of the cage, didn't he?
He gave me neck, which is only for Alan normally.
Elfie,
Sometimes it
come
doesn't
here,
even
buddy.
chew.
You didn't chew it?
Wow!
First one.
Bypassed you.
Bypass me.
Many, many years.
He's like,
Different.
Elfie,
So I have
come here.
a real.
He's like looking at her, he thinks she called him.
yeah.
He's like, where's my treats? You get
Real
lubbies.
thin.
Look at that. He's like,
He
treat.
wants treats.
I put it on a table.
Wow, Alfie. I'll
He's
give you a
like,
treat.
I don't want no.
He's like, I don't want no scratches. Give me the good
Shorter
stuff.
one, I
He's
just
like,
take
is that where the treats are? I should just fly to the
I'm a
table.
retired Christian teacher.
He said.
Alfie.
So that one I use in my house too.
He's like, give me that treat.
Give me that treat.
Got
There
lots
you
of
go.
energy.
Good right here.
All right, Alfie. Time to go to bed. It's night time. Treat time is over. Give me a kiss. Wow.
But I know a lot of my friends already take.
Want to do one more?
Yeah.
All right, one more, Alfie.
After
Ron, he's going to enjoy it a little longer.
Elfie.
Well, when I usually work,
Oh, Alfie. You like the snow, buddy?
Yeah.
Wow, look at the snow. I don't need it.
Pero si hace frío, ponte. Te lo vas a llevar de todos modos.
Oh, hi. Hi, buddy.